What's up, guys? Okay, and the TRX on the Ram 2500, Charger, Challenger, those type of vehicles are the most stolen vehicles. What we do is we have an immobilizer. It's a tiny little remote control that goes in your keychain. Okay, when you turn off the truck and you try to start it again, it won't start. See, if you press this button first and then you start it, start right up. Okay, so basically when you get in the vehicle, you just press the button and then you can start the truck. If you don't do that, it's not going to start. It comes with two fobs too. The remote control. In this case, you're going to hit this button here and then you're able to remote start it. Okay. And that would turn off the truck, of course, the same thing. So in other words, it's one more little step you have to do. Press this button before you do your thing. You know, this is probably the best way, since this system is CAN bus. It's going to be the best way to protect the truck. This immobilizer was installed here in Miami, Florida. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814.